When working on your drawings, it is common to make mistakes while creating an element, or many times some elements are no longer necessary in the current file. In these cases, use the undo, redo, and erase commands, respectively, to undo and redo an action or erase an element present in the drawing. The undo and redo commands work exactly the same way as the undo and redo commands in other programs. It is so easy to use them. Just click the undo or redo commands on the quick access toolbar. Another way to do this is just type U or redo on the command line and press enter for confirmation. You can also type the undo command here. You can enable some command options this way and facilitate your design creation process. This way it is possible to assess the command and define the number of actions you wish to undo. To do this, just type the number of actions you wish to undo and press enter for confirmation. The erase command is used to erase drawing entities which are no longer necessary. Select the Erase tool to access this command on the Modify pane on the Home tab. Or you can even type Erase and press Enter for confirmation. After enabling the tool, select the unnecessary drawing elements and press Enter for confirmation. All selected elements will be erased. You can also delete one or more sketched objects just by selecting the desired items and pressing the Delete key. Use the Oops command to undo any erased elements you wish to restore. Automatically, all erased objects will be recovered. Then you won't need to use the Undo command to recover any previously performed actions. So in this class, you have studied about undoing and redoing performed actions in your drawing, and also how to erase and undo several elements.